If your semi-truck keeps regenerating more often than it should, or you're constantly dealing with check engine lights related to your after-treatment system, there's something that you need to understand. Sometimes the problem isn't the DPF, and it isn't the turbo, and it isn't always the EGR valve either. Sometimes the issue is a small sensor that many drivers never hear about. It's called a delta P sensor. Now let me explain what this sensor does. Your engine and after-treatment system rely on pressure differences to understand how exhaust is flowing through the system. The delta P sensor measures the difference in pressure between 2 points in the system. On many trucks, it's used to monitor things like EGR flow or the pressure across the DPF filter. The engine computer uses these readings to determine things like how much exhaust gas it should recirculate, how loaded the DPF filter is, and when the truck needs to perform a regeneration. But here's where the problem starts happening. These sensors, usually connected to the system through small hoses or ports that are constantly exposed to soot and exhaust gases. Over time, those lines can start to clog with soot. The sensor itself can get contaminated, or the hoses can crack or leak. When that happens, the readings going back to the ECM are no longer accurate. Now the truck starts making decisions based on bad information. That can cause issues like frequent regenerations, check engine lights, EGR flow faults, poor fuel mileage, or even derates in some situations. The truck might think the DPF is more loaded than it actually is, or it might think exhaust flow isn't correct. So it starts forcing more regens than necessary. This is why inspections are important. In our shop, when we're diagnosing after-treatment or regen issues, we don't just start replacing expensive components. We inspect the sensors, we inspect the hoses feeding those sensors, and we make sure nothing is restricted, leaking, or contaminated with soot. Because something as simple as a clogged delta P sensor line can lead to a lot of unnecessary repairs if not caught early. If your truck is experiencing frequent regenerations, check engine lights related to the after-treatment system, or poor fuel mileage, it's worth having the system inspected before replacing major components.